Namaste, this is Sudhakant Mishra. I am a yoga therapist, acupressure therapist and naturopathy therapist. Right now I am a director in Tratak Holistic Clinic, Baswanagar, Bangalore. The best yoga to reduce the belly fat. Actually, belly is a very common problem. Everyone is carrying the belly fat. The belly is the biggest problem in this world. Everyone has this issue. Reason is, belly is the place where our most important organ is situated, and belly is the place where we are making the very less effort. So to reduce the belly fat, that is not required to do the lot of rigorous exercise, doing the core exercise and all, okay, you can reduce. But the problem is sometimes the internal inflammation in the organs that create the belly fat. And the belly fat, to reduce the belly fat, for the common people, for all the people who can do very easily. Suppose if your belly is too heavy and you cannot able to do all the rigorous exercise, but on the name of belly fat reduction, if you're doing the unmindful exercise, unmindful movement, it creates the problem. As in a yoga, there is a sutra, that is the Ahimsa. In the Yama it has given that Ahimsa. You should not do any harm to your body. So the yoga has a very best way to reduce the belly fat. To reduce the belly fat, one has to do the Surya Namaskar or any modification in the Surya Namaskar, like a flow of asana with the breathing. The breathing is very important component there. Once you breathe, you have to contract your abdomen. Once you inhale, your abdomen bulge. Once you exhale, your abdomen contract. With this concept, if you're doing the poses, you can able to reduce the belly fat. Another things that you have to do all the forward bending in the exhale. First you have to exhale up and hold, then you have to go down. If how much your back is allowing. If you practice it every day, there's like any forward bend, you have to raise the hands, exhale completely, and then you have to go down. So then what happens? Then it will slowly it will build. It will just reduce your tummy fat. And the very best way to reduce the belly fat is use the bandha. There is a 3 type of bandha is there. One is the Moola Bandha. Once you contract your pubic and anus muscles upward, that is the Moola Bandha. Another is a Uddiyana Bandha. Uddiyana Bandha is once you contract your abdomen inward in an exhale, that is known as Uddiyana Bandha. And once you lock the neck, this is known as the Jalandhara Bandha. So Bandha practice is one of the best technique to reduce the belly fat, and especially the Uddiyana Bandha. That you can do on the very simple way. You can lie down on the back, you can fold the leg, and you can do the Uddiyana Bandha. So that Bandha is one of the best way. All forward bending exercise is very good to reduce the belly fat in the exhale, and do all the exercise like a twisting exercise and all, which will activate your liver and pancreas to increase your metabolism. These all are the best way to reduce the belly fat.